My name is Jessica and this channel is about cross stitch. In this video, I'm gonna show you a spring brand unpacking and what's inside. I bought this with my own money, but I thought I would do an honest review because like in the beginning of my cross stitch journey, I purchased so many bad designs that I had to just put them in a trash. If you're new here, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And if you're returning, thank you for subscribing. Let's get started. So this right here is a spring brand. Recently, you guys, I've been into the flowers. Like these colors are so beautiful. So this right here is actually Egyptian cotton, and this is 16 count cross stitch. So the dimensions of it is 348 by 350 stitches, and that would make it 121,800 stitches, and it has 85 colors. It's not that great, 85 colors. The size of it in centimeters is 66 centimeters by 66, and in inches it's about 26 inches each way. So that's like a square. It does have like a large margins. I opened this just to do a sneak peek. It comes in this little folder. I actually like that. And it uses, I think it uses the Egyptian cotton from like a fairy brand does. So this is the organizers, their paper organizers. Just look at these colors. So beautiful, you guys. I love it. And it's a lot of threads. Look how much threads there is. A lot. Let's open the canvas. So it comes with a little pack, so your canvas won't get moisture on it because it is stamped. It is unlikely that it will bleed, but sometimes it bleeds a little bit and will ruin the design. And let's take a look at the chart. So this is the preview, and they staple it, and on the preview they'll have what count you have there. The chart itself is pretty small and it's weirdly printed, like they're trying to save paper or something. That would be a horrible, horrible chart to stitch on, you guys. And it's like this papers here. Yeah, it's pretty small. So, but you know, they just put it just in case if something happens to your canvas. This is the canvas itself. It has pretty big chunks of design, like the same color. You guys, I want to stitch everything, but you know, I have to run my Etsy shop too, and I have to choose what do I do, like run it, write the plan. But let me see if I'm holding it the right way. Let's see, which way is which way. So it has the printed, I'm not sure which way, printed key on the side right here. So this chart is 81 colors, but the thing with this stem cross stitch, I noticed, I don't know if it's also with other full coverage, and I'm referring to full coverage stem cross stitch. They'll have like parts of it like confetti and parts of it chunks. So they're almost like making this hybrid chart. It's not like the whole chart will be confetti. Yeah, I found it a little disappointing. I'm not sure how it will actually, the design will look. Maybe, you know, they know actually what they're doing. Let's hope they do, and let's hope I'm wrong. That the chart is actually, I seen it on the net, stitched up already that way. So it actually looks good. The stitches do look beautiful. So again, this has 85 colors. It's 26 inches wide, and I think I paid about $26 plus tax, and they do charge like import fees. I think they call it what, VAT. And let's just take at this threads one more time. So next week I'm gonna have another unpacking, and it's gonna be also flowers, but it's from a different brand. which I also bought with my own money. And I'm gonna do an honest review. So like and subscribe and click the bell for notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye!